Barbados to spend 2 weeks over one of my friends. Get like over there and say me no want come back there, want to test out the club to see how the club work. Over there dance, but told me pussy fat. And them time them used to bleach up, me used to brown the blood clot, and me used to go out and myself, me can't dance, you know, but my skin out.
Yeah.
And them style them used to give the man them over there, my pussy just a clump so.
Good pussy.
I'm a dip on stage and I just go on, and one time I check and I can't sing a pole, you know. Then I want in a blood clot club for mash up. I just hold on the pole and put my foot 2 foot on the ground and start boom and a shake. So I used to get wally per tip. When some time I go in the blood clot lap dance room, I used to get wally per tip. And I used to just make the man them get stiff. Because you know, so I'm in a bathroom and I just start rub my pussy on them and whine. And a normal whine me I give them, you know. I not give them the blood clot. Well, I not give them the blood clot wine for wine, so.
Yeah, that's fine.
Another wine then I give them, you know. I give them.
Yeah, in there.
So you know, so that kind of body make you feel like the girl a boom off it, bumper clot in a real life in a gym. What me didn't know, it come a time now when I don't know if the man them tired of seeing the pussy clapping. I don't know if the man them tired of seeing the same style I rub up my pussy pan them cocky in the lap dance room. But I mean, no say our business stop for me, no, nah go on. Barbados work every week. You have to pay your bills. If any girl up on the level ever work at Barbados and willing to talk, you talk. You have to pay your bills like every Friday. You pay like 200 Bajan or 250 Bajan. You understand? I'm married. It's very expensive because I never used to share the room with me. I pay out 350 Bajan. You don't know the rent to come now, and then here our boss Steve, if on weekend you have to pay for going to the club, you have to pay like $40 Bajan or 35 or 20 Bajan. I don't remember. My money around down, I don't have no blood clot money. I did do it to a little boy. I don't remember when blood clot name. Remember the boy I used to do it from Maxfield. I'm telling you the same, they took on my phone and I have to go down and them anti-box me. I understand them, I have to go to you know, man. They don't know and everything. I used to mind the little batty boy at Jamaica money and
Gada.
So I decided to I have to go sell it.
Sell the pussy.
Nah, kill me. I lie.
Nah, I'm a lie, touch my friend.
I lie. Nah, kill you. You pay your body for your reason. Use it, but use it wisely.
Right, and you use it for your purpose.
Fuck responsibly.
Alright.
Anyways, now, but they don't know me. I said, Bumbo Club, I have to go just sell this right now. I'm gonna sell this cunt. Where did you know you have this man? You ever hear them say every taxi route have a fronzy, every route have a fronzy taxi man, every club have a fronzy man. Who are loving at the blood clot club, them living at the club, but guess what? Them out of the tinkies, see them white, they come like say them have the root to build whiteness for your blood clot, like my best friend Kush.
Yeah.
If white mouth ever white no blood clot, you know what them a sucker in you know. That them man their mouth ever white up. That the man that frowns it, but guess what going on? Oh Jesus. You understand the story, man. Can't drink now.
And that if you bust the big juice.
Yeah, take a look at drinks, man. Can I have a drink when tell the people them the bumbo clot story.
Yeah.
You feel like alright. You don't know say that man have the money now. Watch his style now. Lord, I can kick you big people at her. Move! One over Shensi and Jada King the most. Your friend them over there. You're not grown.
You're not growing it anymore.
You're not growing. You go and play with Shensi and Jada. Shensi have and Jada have 2. 3 friends that you have, man. So, Bomba people, you don't know what's now. They don't know one. Me I say bumbo clap, me can't make the Friday. I say be a girl and make money, you know, because you show them know to swing the pole and them sing the pole naked and skin out, them get whole of money, you know.
And you say now do that?
I know say me now, I can't swing pole. If I swing, I come right down and then it make my hand in a up.
Oh.
And my hand, I don't know what I go, but I can't stay up there, so I go up, I come back down. Where you look now? Me I say bumbo clap, me no see nobody now dance with the man. Me say no care the man more think like batty hole. No care the man frowns like the van. No care all the man more to white like cushion.
Yeah.
Nobody now go to the man, you know.
And
the
the
people them no care the man have money, the girl them now go to the man. Oh God. You know say me go over there to the man, me say everybody in the club start look for me and wonder if my mad out. But all if they know my true story, make them know say listen. Me need the money. Cause me have a man in Jamaica to send some money. Me have my rent for pay. Me have grocery for buy. Me so hype like me have money, you see. So me did need the money, and when me go over there to the man, and me say,
but you didn't know so the man frowns it though.
no, the man frowns, but me didn't know it's so strong when me go over there, brother. Cause me never go over there to him. Me just always pass him. When him see me and him stop me, me say, no. Cause I'm more think. Me say when me go over there and sit down for the man to give the blood clot, man, I like.
Stink for days.
The man that for months, stink for months. The man stink like shit. And me tell him, say, don't talk, don't understand, speak English, don't understand. The man say, oh, well, you can't understand me, and I'm talking like you. I don't understand. You Jamaican girl, you think him? Hey, the man used to could have tap me, so could have laugh, but guess what, go on? Through him accent so nice, him go laugh, me go when him attack me go laugh, him boss out. Mr. Me go sit down for the man and I tell the man say I can't understand speak English, and the man I say, oh, you can't understand me, I'm speaking English. And me go laugh and him say, you Jamaican girl think you're slick, and me go bust out a laugh, and the boss we go bust out a laugh, the man go bust a big laugh.
Jesus help me.
Man nearly dropped down dead in the blood clot club. Anyways, him asked me if I want to go a lap dance room. I said no problem, man. I can go a lap dance room because lap dance room make money. You have to just talk to the selector, make him cut the song them short. So they know so the short of each song it will be like $40. So you know a whole heap of money that's in my pocket. So when me come when me talk with the you tell the selector if you cut the song them short, and any amount of money you make, you will split it, give the selector a thing to you understand, because you make more money than when the song I play join out. Anyways, now going in the lap dance room and me a boom it off, you know, me not fucking up, me just a boom it off as in dance. And me not gonna tell you lie, me don't know something about me, you could have think like that, you can get me on, you know. Me don't know if I'm a pussy roll me. Or me mad like the people them, or me just love fuck and just not care, or me just is a, me don't know if me just a brawling person with love fuck, but it no matter if you're mad, you're young or you're old, once you rub a stiff cocky near my pussy, you can get it. Yeah? Me I tell you, say, once you use your dick and lick on it, or you make it touch and rub, me just get wet same time. So when me daddy a boom off the blood clot, man, in the lap dance room, pussy wet ya. Me say I want to go under this blood clot. Anyways, the man, you know them man, you can never give a man a lap dance when he's a stripper and them not try to touch your pussy or touch your body. When the blood clot man touch her from a clit, and me say, but my clot wet in her hand, you want fucking no matter who in her. The man I say, you do business. Me say, yes.
Alright.
Yes. So I'm saying, how much girl me can do business with? Me say, me don't do threesome. I want, but me can get a girl feel. Him say, no, and me want fuck. Me say, no. Me no want fuck you. Me no want fuck you. The man I say, no man, him want fuck me. Anyways, the man tip me 100 Bajan for bribe me out. Anyways, I say, alright then, no problem with fuck you. So I say, yeah, but me a wine pan the man. Me no know, me just feel in pants. Me not feel the man stiff. So I turn to him and say, oh, you're not stiff up, but you want fuck me. The man say, you're beautiful and whatever, I just need to go. So I say, alright then, 300 USD for fuck me. So I'm saying we tap it up to 5.
Money liquor. Money liquor.
Imagine you fuck for 300,000.
I get 5.
I get 500,000. You don't need no further question or notify. Anyways, now my dad all the clubs there. Whenever you go to business, I know we collect the money. We call our boss, cause you go pay for the room. The boss hold on for your money for you. When you don't fucking give back your money, and he might already take the money from the man for pay for the room in case a man try to thief you or anything like that. And security always there at the door, not inside but on the outside for know who to come in or whatever, and for watch for see what go on. Anyways, now when we look, we call the boss and the boss come. The boss buy him carry one of the condom them, cause the man buy 1 condom, he buy 2 condom. Him give the boss my 5 bills. Him pay the boss for the room and everything. Going at the blood clot fuck room now. I'm a dead. The man kinky. The man tell me say me for go up on the bed and turn around skin out like me I go up on a back shot.
Yeah.
Anyways, you know, my skin not go up on me a back shot. The man start lick off my clip them now. It did feel nasty because as the man lick my clip, me start remember the white thing them for him bumbo clot. Me I said bumbo clot pussy infection now. But at the same time it did nice.
Yeah.
So me I say, you know, me just the nicest go and take over my body until it just fade out of what fuck. Me just I picture it say me don't know what fuck me, but me don't know what suck my pussy, but it has suck.
Yeah.
So the man has suck a galang and me don't give a fuck, me skin out. One next time now when him tax up now, him use him hand and him slap my body John. And he must slap it, he must slap it, he must slap it. And it has slapped hard and hard. I must tell you my big and front. I'm glad to have him on the back so I have to turn in front of him. I don't mind stay back with you. But then I say, bomb clock, the man look like him, nah fuck. Anyways, no matter for me, no, cause time I go in at any other time up at this so the fuck don't and if me and him no fuck so me in the same way. Anyways, now I act like more and turn on because I get tired for that on my back and he must slap me and I get hot.
Yeah.
He must say no man, he must go fuck no or whatever, just hold on. When you wait, when you look, him start suck back my clip now, him start suck back my clip now. No problem, him dead and him a rub my clip.
I am sucky clip.
Yeah.
I am long down your clip.
Yeah. And the look of frowns him and a long down and I suck down my blood clot clit in a friend. And my daddy I take it in. Anyways now him take out him body. And him rub it on my blood clot clit. And you know it feel good anyway. It feel good for choke. I don't fuck.
Yeah.
Rub the body on my blood clot pussy and everything and him a push him. I say what kind of little cocky the man have?
Alright. I'm glad we come out to see this. Yeah.
Funny.
I know your time.
Eh?
Show me what one.
You see them?
So me there, you know. And the man a suck out the blood clot pussy, you know. The man there, eat it out right now. And when the man see after the man done lick it up now, the man push it and I say, what kind of little cocky that? The more the man a push the more me a come so. The more the man a push the more me a come so. When the man make a one push, I saw me blood clot ease out when you have a cocky. Me say what kind of body this? Me say I saw me there on my back and the man a push. When the man a push me a come so. The man a push and me a come so. When the man eat a hard lick, I saw me ease up and lock it blood clot. But it just so tight. Bomba clot jail me didn't know that the big cocky that the man have made. I tell him if you go on with him like a 5 bills, you know? But I tell the man, say, listen, sir, my ear itch up on me something. But I say, sir, listen to me, tell you this. Just take a look at long black body, your frownsy body, and go on about your business. You believe, say, me fuck and your water just flow like a river. Nose not start come up in my nose not start big like when you have blood clot cold. Me start bad. And me a ball and I take the fuck so me do me shame. Me have to lay down in the room a little bit. Breathe out and ease out myself. You see when me done now, the man not even wash him hand. The same blood clot and towel. When time the man did a wipe off him pussy and lick and wipe off him and him use it and wipe off back him mouth. Him not even wash off and look a pipe there. Him not wash off him mouth or nothing. Him just wipe off him hand and come out. You see when the man come out, everybody see the man come out. You see when I look so me see every blood clot body in there look. And I decide so me now go out there. Me a waiting in the lap dance room until me see whole heap of people coming like them. Me walk after them now gonna know who me did go to or whatever. When your blood clot look at me there in the club, you have this little nerdy bumbo clot girl when I even make $100 every time because she wants to suck my pussy. Every time I go somewhere, she follow me. She come, she say, what you doing? I say, alright, Jessica, leave me alone because she's like a Chinese girl and I make the money. When you look, she come back again, the boss call you.
Yeah.
When my peeps at the door, the boss call me. So God almighty, you know me have to go back in the club now. Can't escape this rascal. Anyway, I go back in the bar now. When you look, the man take out the whole 5 bills and give me. Here I go on now, you know. Nobody never knows so I go fuck the little dog shit, you know. You see, as soon as the boss give me the money, the little frownsy man walk up. Good pussy girl.
No, sir.
I said the man a pass and lick me from my body. Boop! pussy Jamaican girl. A shame like dog. Me just cut the knife. And when you cut the knife, you have to pay $100 if you leave early before the club. Though. Me just give $100 out of my money when me get stay with 4 bills and give $100 and go me and never return to the work. Me just start end up work at one private place where you can work with white couples, white man, white woman, lesbian, etc. You make more money this stuff. Hey, me, you know say Stunner tell me say me for write a blood clot book. Me I tell you man. Stunner tell me say me for write a book. And my book will make money. People will. You know that buy my book no. No. When me I think about YouTube videos, when me I think about for the YouTube videos, me just always I think say I want the pranks and them thing there. But every time I come on live, I always can remember the story for going on. But when I do it for my YouTube, I can't remember. Oh, another buy. So I think I should come up with a lot more YouTube. Me I drop on YouTube. Me I make one YouTube video tonight. Me I tell you one nice story. Yeah, me I tell you one nice story. Alright for you. Perfect. Yeah. If you're right for me for true. Your road did rough, bro. You're off of my road yet. Cross clot. Alright, them done gone. Yeah. No, me not alright.